Are you thinking about shopping on CarterBro.com? Well, let's talk about it before you hit that checkout button. Because honestly, there are some big red flags waving right now. So, here's the deal. CarterBro.com, as of January 2026, is setting off alarms across the online shopping world. The site's trust rating is pretty shaky. I'm talking a score as low as 2.8 out of 5 on major platforms like Trustpilot, based on just a handful of reviews. And when it comes to transparency, they're not passing the vibe check. No clear contact info, no phone number, not even a legit address on the site. That's a huge warning sign for me. Now let's talk about what real shoppers are actually experiencing. Reports about CarterBro.com look a lot like the classic scam site playbook. People are complaining about paying for items that never show up, customer service emails that get totally ignored, and lots, and I mean lots, of struggles to get refunds. So before you buy from any new online shop, especially CarterBro, let's run through my safe shopping checklist for 2026. First, always look for SSL security. That's the little padlock in your browser and the HTTPS in the address. Next, check for real contact details. Test that customer service email or even try the phone number before you spend a dime. Here's a pro tip. Google the site's name plus scam or complaints and see what pops up. If you see a bunch of horror stories, trust your gut and walk away. Also, never pay with wire transfers or cryptocurrency. Reputable stores use credit cards and secure processors. And finally, if the site is promising 80% off everything or is filled with sketchy graphics and typos, run. Bottom line, CarterBro.com is a risky bet. Shop smart, trust your instincts, and keep your money safe online.